Racing just is started. We have entry number 4 and this one repeat performance break quickly at the start. Money King rushing up on the outside is Plug Bearer. Then on the inside is Shoemaker rushing up now on the outside is Simple Lang Tayo. Then comes Jaden Song, Major Credit, Highway Run, Louis Alexa. Then comes Britney's Glory. Money Queen racing to glory while Matapat is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Shoemaker now takes command. Money King is on the outside. Plug Bearer is racing in third. Then comes Jaden Song. Then next on line is Louis Alexa. Britney's Glory comes next. And out back to the leader, we have two runners still keep on matching their strides together. We have Shoemaker by out ahead. Then on the outside is Money King. And 4 lengths further back in third comes Plug Bearer. Major Credit, Louis Alexa, Jaden Song. Moving up now on the outside is Britney's Glory. Matapat, then down on the inside is Racing to Glory. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Money King now takes command. Shoemaker is running by the rail with about 150 meters more to run. Money King, Shoemaker is fighting back down on the inside. Money King, Shoemaker, Money King, Shoemaker, Shoemaker, Money King, Money King, Shoemaker, and it's going to be a close finish between number 7, Money King and Shoemaker. Then comes Plug Bearer, Major Credit, Racing to Glory, and Louis Alexa.
Alam mo,